Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. I am Saman. Today we are going to do the paper 1H of Mathematics A of Edexcel IGCSE June 2023, right? In this paper we have discussed until the question number 11. Today the discussion is from the question number 12. There's heavy rain, that's why this noise, you may hear some noise, but we are doing the video, therefore don't take those noises that seriously, right? Okay. Then question 12. Question 12, they say Rudolph goes to gym. There's a person called Rudolph. I don't know whether I'm correctly pronouncing the name, but Rudolph goes to gym. Then he say he uses treadmill and what is called cross trainer. Treadmill and cross trainer are two equipment, exercise equipment in a gymnasium, right? Okay. Then he may use treadmill and cross trainer, right? Now this is the probability. Here says P means probability. Probability that he uses a treadmill. Then what is here? Probability within brackets, I say he uses a treadmill. That probability that he uses the treadmill is 0.8. 0.8. Then here he use, I will write that in short here again, Q12. Then P, treadmill. Then probability that he used treadmill equals how much? 0.8. Then probability that he use the other thing is this. Then this something like this. Probability cross trainer / treadmill. Treadmill equals, they say 0. I will explain this. What this a cross trainer / treadmill means, right? Okay, now look at the question. If you have, I haven't written the all wordings, but I have put all words into this probability notations and put, right? So therefore, now they say, when he uses a treadmill, the probability that he uses a cross trainer is 0.r. Then, when he uses a treadmill, the probability that he uses a cross trainer is 0.3. That means if he uses a treadmill, then using a cross trainer also after using the treadmill is 0.3. That's a conditional probability. This probability of this 0.3 of using the cross trainer is only if he use the treadmill. If he use the treadmill, then using the cross trainer is 0.3. Now, that's a conditional probability. What is the condition? First use the treadmill. If you don't use the treadmill, then your probability of using the cross trainer is not this. This probability is the probability of using the cross trainer only if you use the treadmill. Then given the occurrence of treadmill, probability of occurrence of cross trainer is 0.3. This is called conditional probability, right? Okay. Then you go to this one. What is that? P, right, the one. Then they say in the next one, I'm going to the question, when he does not use the treadmill, the probability that he used the cross trainer is 0.6. When he does not use, that means cross trainer, not treadmill, not use treadmill. Equals how much? 0.6. If after going to the gymnasium, he may use treadmill or he may not use. If he does not use the treadmill, probability of using the cross trainer is 0.6. That's what it is. That is also conditional probability. He goes to the gymnasium, he does not use the treadmill. Then the probability that he use the cross trainer is 0.6. But if you use the treadmill, the probability that you use the cross trainer is not this one. That's why I told you. Conditional. Then on condition that he does not use the probability, which is the treadmill, probability that he use the cross trainer is 0.6. That is conditional. What is the condition here? He does not use the probability. If he does not use the treadmill, that is the condition. On condition that he does not use the treadmill, probability that he uses the cross trainer is 0.6. Okay. Right. Okay. Now they ask complete the probability tree. They have drawn a probability tree. Then I will draw the probability tree here again, so that you can see it clearly, like this. And here use treadmill. Here not use treadmill. Not use treadmill. Then this one use what? What is that? Other one is cross trainer. Cross trainer. Use. Then not use cross trainer. Then this one also, if he does not use treadmill also, he may use the cross trainer. Use cross trainer. Not use cross trainer. Use cross trainer, not use cross trainer, right? Okay. Then we will put the probabilities in this one, right? Then here P treadmill. Then probability of using the treadmill is given here. This one, using the treadmill is, first of all, most decisive thing is here whether he used the treadmill. Then all other probabilities of using other equipment, see, that is the cross trainer example, is depending on whether he used the whether he used the treadmill or does not use the treadmill. Okay. Then whether he used the treadmill, then probability that he used the treadmill, this treadmill is 0.8. Then if, as far as the treadmill, use of the treadmill is concerned, there can be only two events. That is okay. That is, use the treadmill or does not use the treadmill. Then if the use of treadmill, then some of these two probabilities must be 1. Therefore, the probability that it does not use a treadmill is 1 minus 0.8 means 0.2. This one is obtained 1 minus 0.8 because some of these probabilities is 1. Okay. Right. Then we'll go to next. Then if we use the treadmill, then probability that he use the cross trainer is 0.3. This one. This means that if he use the treadmill, probability that he use a cross trainer is 0.3. This one is 0.3. What now does this line mean? He used the treadmill, or he used the treadmill, he used the cross trainer also. Okay. Then next one. Then we know again there are two branches. Then probability of using the cross trainer is 0.3. Probability of not using the cross trainer is sum of this 1 minus 0.3. That means 0.7. This will be 0.7. Okay. Right. Then this one. Then this means what? He used the treadmill. He used the treadmill. If he used the treadmill, probability of not using the cross trainer. Okay. Now next one. Now say he does not use the treadmill. Now he does not use the treadmill. Then what is the probability of using the cross trainer? This one. This means what? If he does not use the treadmill, probability of he using the cross trainer 0.6 here. Use the not use the treadmill but use the cross trainer 0.6. Okay. Without using treadmill, use the cross trainer. Then here this one, he does not use the treadmill, but he does not use the cross trainer. Then if he does not use the treadmill, then probability of he does not use the cross trainer, then you use these two, then what is the probability? Sum of the probabilities of these two branches is 0.6. Sum of the probabilities of these two branches is 1. Then this one is 0.6, other one is 1 minus 0.6, that means 0.4. No, that is done. Then we completed it. Then they asked the question. What is the question they have asked? What is the question they have asked? They asked the question, this is part A. Then part B they asked what? Here. Work out the probability that both treadmill and cross trainer. What is the probability that he use both treadmill and cross trainer? That means the probability that he use the cross trainer if he use the treadmill also. Like this one. Work out the probability that he use both treadmill and cross trainer. That is the question they have asked, I think. Complete the probability tree, then work out the probability that Rudolph used both the treadmill and the cross trainer, right? That is this one. Then I have written by using that probability notation like this. He uses both treadmill and cross trainer. This one. How do you find? Then both treadmill and cross trainer means you use the treadmill, use the cross trainer. Then the probabilities on branches are multiplied. Then this multiplied by this 0.8 into what? 0.3. That means 0.24. This is the answer. 0.2. 3 times 8, 24. Yes. There are two decimal places. They have to keep the decimal places in the answer. 2 decimal places. Right. Okay. No? That is that. Okay. Now we did it. Now the question. That is question 12. Then we will go to question 13 here. After that, we will erase that one. So, question 13. We can, I think, easily answer that. Question 13. Q13, they ask here. Here. Anthony goes on holiday. Anthony goes on holiday. He pays the cost of holiday in 3 payments. Then payment 1 is 3/8 of total cost. 3/8 of total cost. Payment 2 is 45% of the total cost. Payment 3 is $406. Payment 2 is 45% of total cost. Then what is the question? They work out the value of the payment 2. Right. Then it's payment 1 here. P1. Let's say payment 1. P1. P1 is how much? 3/8. 3/8 of total cost. Then P2 is how much? 45% of total cost. Right. Then P3, payment 2, payment 3. Payment 3 equals how much? $406. They have given the actual amount. Okay. Actual amount happened for payment 3. Right? Then first we have to calculate the fractional value. Then we have to calculate how much of this 106, how much this 406 as a fraction of the total amount. How do you find that? You get the fractional values of this one. After getting the fractional value, add them together. Then total payment will be this fractional value plus this fractional value plus this fractional value. Then you add these two and deduct from total payment is 1. Then 1 minus sum of these two will give the fractional value of this one. Using that fractional value of this actual value, we calculate second one. We will do like this. Okay. Then we will calculate the fractional values of P1 and P2. Then we write here, we take the, right, we will take like, you write fractional values. Then we write P1, 3 over T. Sorry, 3 over 8 plus. Then this is fractional value of this one is 45 over 100. That is how we write percentage as a fraction. Then plus, let's say this fractional value as x. Then here, otherwise you can write P3 here. Okay, right, P3. Then this must be equal to alpha total 1. 1. Total must be 1. Full thing is 1. 1. Right. Then you add these two fractional values, 3 over 8. Then this 45 over 100 we can simplify like this. 45 over 100 we can divide by 5. 5 times 9, 5 times 20. Then 9 over 20. Then plus 9 over 20. 9 over 20. Then plus P3 equals again 1. Then we get the denominators are not, two fractions are to be added, denominators are different, therefore you have to find the LCM. LCM of 8 and 20 is 40. Then 8 multiplied by 5 into 40, then 3 multiplied by 5 is 50. Then 20 multiplied by 2 is 40, then 9 multiplied by 2 80. Equals P3 equals 1. Then here 15, 18, 23, 33 over 40 equal plus P3 1. Then you take this 33 over 40 to other side. Then P3 equals how much? 1 minus 33 over 40. Okay. 33 over 40. Then we write it like this, and I will take it here. Then 1 minus 43, 1 can be written as 40 over 40. 40 over 40 minus 33 over 40, then equals P3. P3 equals P3. Right? Right, equals P3. Then here what we did is this 1 can be written as 40 over 40. Then cancel 40 times 1 for 40. Then 1 not, then 40 over 40 is 1. Then you deduct P3 equals how much as a fraction. 40 minus 33 means 7. Then over 40. 7 over 40. 7 over 40 of the total this cost. That is P3. Then this P3 we know 406. Then I will erase this. Okay, then This P3 I will write here. This P3 equals how much? 7 over 40 of total cost. Then we know P3 equals 406. P3 equals actual value, we know 406. Then easiest way is this. Then if the total cost is 40, then 7 is 406. Then we can find the total cost of that. What is the total cost? How do you find? You find like this. And total cost equals like this. Then if 7 means 406. Otherwise, I think I will use that, very easy method for you. This is the way. Okay. Now, if this means what? 7 over 40, that means if the total cost is 47 is, if the total cost is 40 parts, 7 parts is the cost of P3, right? Now, what is this one? Payments of the P2. We will take P2. P2 payment is how much? 45 over 45%. 100 means what is the fraction? 45 over 100. That means what? 5 over 9 over 20. This one. Okay. 9 over 20. We can do that by finding this 9 or 20 total cost, and yes, we will doing that too. Easiest way is that. Then here we know P3 is 406, they have given, and 7% of 40 of total, of means multiplication total. Then take this 40 to this side, then 406 multiplied by 40, because this is 40 on this side is division by 40, when it takes that side becomes multiplication by 40, 7 is multiply and divide. Take that, then total cost is found in this way. Okay. Now see whether we can divide how much? 40 times 7 times 440. 35. Can't get. See whether I made a mistake here. 45 or total cost 406. Then this is 5 times 9, 5 times 20. Okay. This 40. 8 times 5, 5 times 3, 15. 20 times 2, 9, 18. Here 5, 8, 13, 33. Yes, 7 over 40 is that. Yes, is 406, right? Then 7 times 4 is 30, 35, 36. You don't get. Out of this total, we have to find 4. Then we will take like this. Then P2 equals, then 45% of total. Then this is the total. No? Then this is 45% of total. This is total. We substitute 45 over 100 into 406 into 40 over 7. Let's try that. I don't think still it is possible. 100, 1. Then 5 times, multiply 5 times, you get how much? 4 times 5, 20. Then 406. We will multiply this 4 by 45. 45, 180. Okay, then divided by 10 into 7. Okay. Then this cancel this and this. Then 18. You calculate. Yes. 406 into 18 divided by 7, you get 1044. 1044 is the value of P2. Okay. Found. 406 into 18 divided by 7. Okay. Here what we did was we found the total. We didn't go to simplify it. Here we can't simplify exactly because there are decimals here. Therefore, we took this whole thing as total. They say P2 is 45% of the total cost. Then P2 45% of the total cost. Total cost is this much. Then 45% of means multiplication of this total cost is 406 into 40 over 7. Then I simplify. Then simplify, and ultimately I got this 1044. Okay, that's all. Right? Okay. That is question 13 and question 12 and 13. We will try to do the question, what is this? 14 also. I will resolve this. Okay. Now, here they have given oh my goodness. Part A is find, I think, F10. Other one is B, find F inverse in the form F inverse x like this. Okay. Then write first one A. This is the function fx. Then we can write this function. This one way of writing the function. They have given this one 2x or x minus 6. This one way of writing function. Then this function can be written exactly in this way without any problem. Fx equals 2x x minus 6. Then they say F10. F10 means what? Yes, F10. F10 means what? Instead of here this x, they have put 10. When this is here, this is x, this is also x. Then this is also x. Therefore, when this is 10, this x is 10, this x is also 10, this x is also 10. Therefore, substitute here 2 into this and 10. Then this one, this x 10, 10 minus 6. Then this way 2 into 10 is 20, 10 minus 6 is 4. Then answer is 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 10 minus 6. That is the answer for fx. Then other one is b. B, they say what? Find f inverse. No, right? Therefore, first of all, take the function like this fx equals 2x over x minus 6. Okay. Then you take this as y. Y equals 2x over x minus 6. Then you switch x and y. Here you put x. Here you put y. Here for this x is also you put y. Then for every x must be substituted with y. Every y must be substituted with x. Then you make y the subject. Take this to this side. Then x into y minus 6 equals to y. This division by y minus 6 becomes multiplied by y minus 6. Okay, y minus 6. Here division by y minus 6 becomes multiplied by y minus 6. Y minus 6 when it goes to this side. Okay, then you remove brackets 2y, then minus 12, no? 12 here equals 2y. What is that? That can't be found. 2x, here 2x divided by x minus 6. Then we took it as y. Then, Then this is we switch x and y here. Then we took y to this side, 2y minus 12. Then y minus 12, then multiple remove brackets, 2y. Then this 2y is brought to this side, it becomes a 0. And therefore this can't be found. There must be a problem in the question. Yes. Yes. There is a problem in the question. We can't do this. Then we have to look at that. Okay. So that is all I can do here. Then this will become, take 12 to this side, take this 2y to this side, 2y minus 2y, then here plus 12. Then here it is 0 equals to this wrong. This question is wrong. Okay. Therefore, we can't find inverse function for this. Which x and y. I'm sorry. Sorry, I made a mistake. Right. I confused this. This must be x, not 2, right? I'm sorry. I confused myself, right? Okay. Now take this one. This one is x. Then make we are going to make y the subject. Take this to this side. Then x y minus 6 equals 2y. Okay. Then here x multiplied by y is yx. Then x multiplied by 6 minus 6x equals 2y. Okay. Take that side. Then what you do is here you take this minus 6x to that side. Our attempt is to make y the subject. No, therefore collect all y times to one side. Then take this 2y to this side, the minus 2y. xy minus 2y, as it is plus on this side. Take this minus 6x to other side, this plus 6x. Then here common factor is y, take it out, x minus 2 equals 6x. Okay. Then y equals, then here it is multiplied by x minus 2, then divide by x minus 2 both sides, 6x divided by x minus 2, then what is left is y equals 6x over x minus 2. And what is this here? Then they ask you to give us in this form. Then we write the notation given, that in which it is expected by them, f minus dash, sorry, f minus dash here. Okay, minus, then here double dot and x arrow. This one notation. The inverse function of x, this means equals, sorry, not equals, arrow is mapping onto 6x, x minus 2. Okay, that is the answer. Right. That is all about that question. Okay. Right. 6 minus 2. Right. That is part of. Then with that, we stop this video and have a nice time. See you. Bye. And I'll meet in an interesting video.